This trial came down to self-defense. 13 on your side's Carla Byron spoke with a professor of law from Western Michigan University Cooley Law School to get reaction to the verdict. Carla?
Professor Anthony Flores told me Kyle Rittenhouse had to believe he was in peril and had to protect himself with the use of lethal force. The jury had to determine whether or not he was believable.
And many times juries are the ones who are there watching the witness's demeanor, they're watching their testimony, and they come back with a decision as to who they find credible. It's obvious in this deliberation took so long that they had real struggles with some of the witnesses' versions for the prosecutor, indicating that this was done intentionally, premeditated or deliberate, using lethal force for a reason, that he was actually being pursued or was being felt he was in peril before he felt the need to pull the trigger on that automatic weapon.
Flores adds the prosecutor's case was Rittenhouse provoked the situation by being there with a firearm. However, once witnesses testified Rittenhouse was in peril and he had to respond, that changes the course of the discussion for the jury.
So can the state appeal this?
There's no appeal from a not guilty verdict, so Rittenhouse doesn't have to stand trial on these issues again under the Fifth Amendment double jeopardy clause. Juliet.
Thank you, Carla.